Welcome to the program. Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission officials are at this moment in Nairobi's Kariobangi estate following claims that an illegal BVR voter registration is taking place. The alarm was raised by the Coalition for Reforms and Democracy, CORD. And joining us now is our senior reporter, Patrick Amimo, who is at Kariobangi. Patrick, good afternoon. What can you tell us about this latest BVR standoff?
Good afternoon, Michelle. Indeed, this is a matter that was raised on Thursday, evening when area residents claimed that there was a possible massive transfer of voters who are calling a registration center by the name Marura Primary School that is in Embakasi North constituency. So they raised the alarm on Thursday. And what happened was that the police officers on the ground did confiscate those BVR registration kits to put it in safe custody at the police station. Then the officials from the Independent and Electoral Boundaries Commission came on the scene to probe the matter. So far, we've spoken to the investigating officer at the IEBC, who says that the commission is investigating those allegations. So far, people, what was said is that people were claiming that these kids, the clerks were transferring them and registering people at night in some areas that are not designated as polling stations. So what the IEBC official on the ground has told us is that the clerk who was responsible for that particular area has been transferred, and another one brought in to at least restore that confidence among those in the Embakasi North constituency. So, as I'm talking to you right now, the voter registration process is ongoing. Though the clerk who had raised suspicions, the commission has transferred that particular staff to another polling center. So the IEBC official has said that the commission will investigate the allegations because according to politicians who spoke to the Embakasi South Member of Parliament, Richard Sumra, he says that around 600 people registered on Thursday. That's when before the alarm was raised. But according to the IEBC officials, this indicates that around almost the figure could be around 250 personnel. But they'll go to investigate that file and see if these allegations are true or false. But as I'm talking to you now, the voter registration exercise is ongoing, and I think area residents have been urged to come out and register, take advantage of it, of this particular process, which is only now remaining with at least 2 weeks before closure. Michelle?
All right, Patrick Amimo there reporting from Kariobangi, where the Coalition for Reforms and Democracy claims an illegal voter registration exercise is ongoing.